This video model shows the convergent plate boundaries. So what you should notice here is we've got two different plates. We've got one on the left, one on the right, and their arrows are indicating that they're moving towards each other. Again, we have the crust, the thickness of the crust is shown with this sort of grayish material here with the grass or trees or whatever on top. Underneath, you've got the mantle, and you see the convection currents. And in this case, the convection currents are moving across and then down over here. So this is where it's cooling and moving in the downward direction because it's getting more dense. And so as a result, these arrows are pushing the plates forward in this direction. So we're going to watch what happens here. We're going to pick a time of 20 million years. Again, this process is very, very slow. And we're going to watch how the two plates sort of come together as they collide with each other. This is a pretty simple model because the plates are shown as sort of uniform thickness, rectangular prisms, very, very basic. So let's watch this go. And you'll see that there are, the entire time that they are colliding, you're seeing earthquakes happening all along that boundary. And now you're starting to see this crumpling starting to happen. Down below, you'll see that the bottom area is starting to get sort of wiggly, squeezed. Same thing's happening here. You're starting to see these little lines here that are trying to indicate, instead of it being flat, indicating that some bending and folding is starting to happen. We're going to keep going. We're going to keep playing this. And again, the convection currents are pushing the plates together. The crust is getting thicker and thicker and thicker. Now we're starting to see some mountains forming in the middle, hills and mountains pushing up through the crust. Again, the model shows that they're covered with green, although that probably would not be the case. They probably would start forming actual mountains made out of rock. But again, there's limitations to the model. And the mountains get higher and higher and higher, and the crust gets thicker and thicker and thicker. Okay. We're going to reset this. We're going to play it one more time just so you can watch it again. We're going to run this guy, see what happens. Make sure you're paying attention to both the crust, what's happening there, and also the mantle convection that's happening. There we go. This video is video 3546. Video 3546. Say it one more time, 3546.